So today I'm trying out this new to me, cup restoration, headlight restoration kit. So it's basically a cup that you heat up and you pour, where is my solution? Pour this solution in this cup. You sand down your headlights, and the vapor or steam that comes out of this cup apparently cleans your headlights, or it's like a clear coat to your headlights. I've seen it on Instagram a few times, so I decided to order it. I'm gonna try it on my Acura TL. Obviously these lights are pretty rough, so I'm gonna tape the lights first. I'm gonna sand it down. I think I'm gonna start with this 280. It goes all the way up to, I believe, 1200 is included in the kit. So I'm gonna test it out. If it works good, I will put the link in the description so you can buy it as well and try it out. But I haven't tried it out yet, so I'm gonna see how it works. So I'm gonna tape up the lights first, and we'll get to sand, get some water, and we'll get to sanding this passenger light. So pretty quick and easy. I got the headlight taped up. Paint's pretty bad on this car anyway, but always best to tape it up just in case you drip or any of the, I don't know what the solution is yet, so I don't want it to drip on the paint and mess it up pretty bad. So it's taped up now. I'm going to plug it in. This kit comes with a car charger, so you just plug it in. It'll heat up to be plugged in while you use it because it will already be hot. So I'm gonna plug it in now. It says wait 5 minutes. So while that's happening, I will be sanding this light. I don't have a spray bottle with me right now, so I'm kind of using a makeshift water bottle just to keep it wet because I'm wet sanding it. So if you see me splashing water, that's what it is. 'm gonna step it down to 360. Last one was 280. Then I'll probably jump a little higher to either 800 or 600 or 800. See what we get. Next we have 1200. All right, it's all sanded now. If you notice, I was only sanding left to right. I wasn't going up and down or circles. Wanted to keep the sanding uniform. I untaped it because I'm going to retape it before I put the solution on there. But that is the sanded side. It's the unsanded side. So yeah, we'll see what this cup does. So it's really hard to tape it because it's wet right now, but barely got the tape back on there, just enough to cover it up a little bit, and we will see what it does now. Okay, here's the deal. It works. As you see, it's really cleaning up this headlight. Issue is that it's really windy today, and the Audi is get the battery charged, so I can't pull the car all the way in. I think the wind is using the vapor from the cup to clean the light, but the wind is blowing the vapor, so it's not cleaning correctly. But if you can see, when you initially hold it up to it, it really does its thing. So unfortunately, it's super hard to do this with, I don't have my tripod, and I don't have anywhere to set the camera, but I pulled it more in the garage a little bit. As you can see, it's definitely getting clear. I may not be doing it right. The instruction says it's supposed to have like a drain tube and all this other stuff that it did not come with. So I'm just trying to figure it out as I go. But as you see, I mean, it definitely knocks off anywhere that there is any compound from the sanding. It really works. You can see the difference. This is the side that has not been done. And this is the side that has been. You can see the little bit of the fluid that's on there. I have not wiped it down yet. All right, I fixed the outlet in my car, so now I have leverage to do this. As you see, this is exactly how it's supposed to work. Now that it's plugged in, you see how that cleared that right up. Wow, that's just like brand new. So here is the final result. So with the light on, as you can see, it started about like this, maybe even a little worse. To this. All right, so here is the finished product. Night and day difference. This was my first time using it, so it was a little bit of a learning curve. But once I got the hang of it, I just did the lights on my Audi. You can see how they came out. That was quick. I didn't even sand it. I just sanded it down for like maybe 15 seconds with 1200 grit and went over it. Really brought the light out. But if you look at the light night and day difference of these, it's pretty crazy. So I think it's worth it. I mean, you can use the polishing kits if you want. Apparently this lasts about a year, year and a half, up to 2 years of doing it. So I would recommend it. So I'll go ahead and put the link in the description below. You can see where I got it from Amazon. I'm sure there's other brands, but if you want the one that I got, here it is. All right, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave me a thumbs up. Tell me what you thought about it, what you think I could do differently, or if you tried it before. Hit the notification button so you know when I do post. And in the next couple videos, I'll be giving an update on the Accord. I got some good news. Some videos will be rolling out on that soon. So I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
My man!
Are you still at your rooster?
Hey, Nate, good job, girl! Don't give me your mama's look! Yo, you should take a video.